Hi everyone, I am Akash Umakan Biradar. In the learning process of Java, in today's topic, we will learn about constructors. Constructors are same as methods. In Java, constructor is a block of codes or constructor is a group of code similar to method, but name of it is same as a class. It means when we take class or when we create any class, the constructor name is also same as the class name which we create, and it is the special type of method. Constructor is a special type of method which is used to initialize the object. The main focus or main use of constructor is for initializing the object. Every time object is created using new keyword, at least one constructor is called. At the time of calling, memory for object is allocated in the memory. When we call new object, then the memory is allocated to the memory. It is called default constructor if there is no constructor available in the class. For example, if if in the main method a developer created a new object, then when the created new object parallelly it goes the constructor call. It means the new object creation as well as parallelly done by call to the constructor. So it is called constructor because it constructs the values parallelly object creation. Now in such case, Java provides the default constructor by default. It means if there is no constructor and the JVM calls the constructor, then there will be creation of default construction in which is empty constructor. It means every time object created, the default constructor will be created and the default constructor will be executed. Now rules for creating the constructor. First rule is constructor must be same as class name. Yes, म्हणजे constructor's name is must be name as same as class name, and it must have no return type. It must have no return type. Now we go through the syntax of constructor: access modifier, then constructor name, then parameters, and then block of statements. Now there are two types of constructor. First one is default constructor and second one is parameterized constructor. Default constructor means the constructor which have no arguments. The constructor which have no arguments is called default constructor, and parameterized constructor means the constructor which have arguments. What will be the arguments? At least one argument should be there for parameterized constructor. Now constructor overloading. What is mean by constructor overloading? In the same class for different purposes, the constructor name is same, but the parameters of the constructor are different. This is called constructor overloading. We use constructor overloading for different purposes. The main purpose is for organize the program. For well organization program, we have to do same task repeat and repeat by using different values. Then we will use the constructor overloading. It means the constructor name is same, all the constructor used their name is same, but they have different parameters. Constructor overloading just like method overloading but without return type. There should be no return type in constructor overloading. Now there will be no never use static in constructor. It means constructor never be static, and constructor can never be final, synchronized, or static. Okay, this is all about the constructor. Thank you.